welcome to my beginner crochet series. In this video I'm going to show you how we can make a half double crochet. So let's get started with it. I've already started with the slip knot and I've completed 15 chains. So now we are going to do the half double crochet for the first row. To make the first half double crochet we need to skip the 2 chains near the needle and we'll have to start it from the 3rd chain like this. Now let's grab the yarn, insert it in the 3rd chain like this, then yarn over. Now we'll be having 3 loops like this, and once again yarn over and pull it through all these 3 loops. And we got our first half double crochet. In this way we can continue for the first row. I'll show for one more stitch like this. Now I have completed the first row, so let's start making the second row. For that we need to make 2 chains. Flip the sides and then make 2 chains. So this will be our first half double crochet stitch, and so we'll have to skip the first stitch and we'll have to jump directly into the second stitch. So yarn over and insert the needle in the second stitch like this. Grab the yarn. You'll have 3 loops. Now yarn over and pull it through all these 3 loops like this. Yarn over, insert the needle, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull it through all these 3 loops. Now we can continue making the same stitch throughout this row, and in this way we can continue for all other rows. Thanks for watching and hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.